Hi, this is Tony from Thoughts to Things, and today we're going to be making more shirts like the one I have on. We're going to be making three shirts for my all class reunion is coming up for my high school, and we'll be making new shirts to show some school spirit there. Anyways, go ahead. I know you're going to like the video, so just do it now. Go ahead and like the video. Next, subscribe to my channel and then hit the bell for notifications and make sure it says all so you can get to see all of these wonderful videos every time they come up. So that's the first thing. The second thing is, hey, if you like my earrings, go and check them out. Yes. If you like my earrings or if you like my bracelet, I'm always going to be showing you my stuff. Go ahead and go to my website and order them. It's www.fromthoughtstothings.com and you can get your earrings. If you like the Chicago Bears, I think, and the Illini matches all kinds of things. So just get them. So that's that. Oh, and FYI, if you can see it, I got a new microphone. So hopefully the sound quality will be better in my videos. I'm trying to upgrade, y'all. I'm trying to do better. Take this ride with me. Be on this journey with me. We started from the bottom. Now we kind of still at the bottom, but we're going to get up to the top. Anyways, let's get started with making our shirts. Now, I do have to warn you that the video cut out. I don't know where it cut out, but we'll see. We'll see how much video we get. It's a Tony video. So it's gonna be some errors here and there. We just work with what we got. All right, let's get started. Okay, in this video we will be using Gildan Extra Heavy cotton shirts. We will be using Siser Easyweed vinyl. Both of these are that. Our pin weeding tool and our Cricut standard grip mat. All right, let's get started. Okay, I forgot to mention it earlier, but we are going to be using our lint roller as well. We want to start off using our lint roller, getting all of the little lint fuzzies off of the shirt so that our vinyl can adhere well to our shirt. So now that we've done that, in a second we're going to pre-press it. And let's see. I just want to see where it's supposed to go first, if it's going to look right. Does red on red look right to y'all? Or should I just leave the red off? I'll do both. I'll do both. I just wanted to see what it was going to look like. Okay. So let's go ahead and pre-press our shirt. It's still heating up, but it's fine. I let it go just for a little longer since it was still heating up. Okay, so now let's get our first piece in line, and that's the red K. I usually try to line it up with the under the arms. That way it'd be sitting right there, like on top of the chest. So I'm gonna pull it down just a little bit, and it looks like it's even. Looks like it's even here. I think there is good. All right. There's some paper underneath here, isn't it? Yep, some paper fell. Perfect. Grabbed it, done with it. All right, let's let that press. We're not gonna let it go the entire time. We just need it to stick down a little bit. Because we have another layer that we're putting on top of here, so we don't want to overcook it. All right, and let's put our second layer on. That'll be our Bronco, Go Kenwood Broncos. And I'm kind of just doing my best guess here to see how I like it. Let's make sure that is going to be level. And if you don't know what I'm looking at the numbers down here to see if they align, and they do. Okay, perfect. Let's go ahead and let that one go. I'm gonna actually let this one go the entire time. And here we are, our first Kenwood Bronco shirt. One down, two to go. I think that is beauteous. All right, let's set this one to the side and start on our next shirt. We're gonna run through the same steps we did before. Never skip these steps. It's always good to get your shirt prepped. I try to do a good job, especially when I'm making these for other people. Perfect. All right, this time to protect our rib, we're gonna put a piece of butcher paper on top. And this time we're gonna let it go the entire time. All right. I am eager. I like to just peel it right away. This is what I really love about Siser Easyweed. You can just almost peel it right away. That looks good, guys. What do you think? I think it looks great. I can't wait. All right, that one's not mine though. And then we have one more shirt left. I think I'm gonna do a white shirt. It's very, very wrinkled. Very, very wrinkled. All right. So just like before, it might be time to buy some more, another lint roller. All right. Let's do our pre-press. About 5 seconds is good. All right. Now let's do our. Ooh, woo. I love it. It ain't even done yet. All right, that looks good to me. All right, that's our first layer. Let's go ahead and press that. Ooh, woo. Oh, let me press it. Let me go ahead and press it. Y'all, when I tell you, I wish the picnic was right. Oh no, guys, I forgot a piece. I forgot to take a piece off. Hi guys, thank you for staying to the end. I am so happy that I'm so happy that we at least the camera filmed at least to the end. You didn't see how I fixed the shirt, but I just put some heat to it and I got rid of that little one spot that was right there. But here's one of our shirts. Yay! It's wrinkled now because I have to let the camera cool down. And we have our second shirt. Guys, hopefully you guys like that one too. I like that one. And then we have our last shirt here, representing class of 1996. Yes, 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 yes. So we have 3 shirts that we made today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you already liked. I hope you've already liked, commented, and subscribed to my channel. And again, thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.